Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Coinbase, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you get your Coinbase API key? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need your API key anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that a lot of times with accounting software, if you want to link up your Coinbase, you need an API key. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get an API key for your Coinbase account, up here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, here on the left in the middle, you're going to see this drop down menu, and just scroll down until you see API. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to click here on create API key in blue. If you don't see that, you can click right here in gray as well. All right, once you do that, go ahead and name the API key. So I'll just say account software. Next, you want to go ahead and choose your portfolio. After you do that, you want to go ahead and choose the permissions. And next, you want to click on create and down. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see we have an API key to our Coinbase account right here. So we can just click on these two little boxes and copy it to our clipboard and then paste it into whatever software is asking for the Coinbase API key. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to get your API key for your Coinbase account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.